Hello traders, in this 5-minute video I'm going to explain losing trades, managing trades, winning trades, how do we go about recovering. This is all going to be packed into this video. Remember that trading is risky. Please do not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. We're using the Sonic system. It's 2025. We're going to update and upgrade our trading strategies using the Sonic system. I see that the market is on its way down. We have a short signal. You heard the audible alert. There's a sound that comes up whenever the signal appears to alert you to go long or to go short. It also prints the actual text on the chart, the price that you should be entering the market.
Filled.
So the risk to reward ratio is pretty good. We're not looking at losing a huge amount of money in comparison to what we're trying to make. So I usually look for a 50-50, 60-40 scenario. It should not be where you're losing a lot of money only to make a very small profit. Now it's starting to go against me, as you can see. I always recommend that you try for a better price. In this case, I got a few ticks better, not too much. Had I waited a little bit, I could have gotten a much better price, but you never know. So take the exact signal or a few ticks better as long as the risk to reward ratio makes sense. Now we teach this in the ongoing training for the Sonic system, and as it starts to go in my favor, you see that it touched the target and then finally went through it. Now this is important. The amount of time it took for this trade to come to fruition. So how many minutes did it take? How long did it take? You can see that it took probably 4 or 5 bars. These are 1-minute candles. So really you're looking at about a 5-minute trade to make a profit target. What I'm trying to avoid is holding on to a trade for an hour or half an hour. You've probably heard me say that in other videos. All right, the audible alert kicked in. I see a signal. The risk to reward ratio is a little bit based on that signal is a little bit off, so I'm putting my order a few ticks better in order to make that risk to reward ratio make more sense. Remember, the closer you enter to the stop, the less risk, and if the trade is a losing trade, you are going to lose less in this specific example. Okay, the target was filled. It took 1 minute to make that profit target. So under our belt, we have 2 winning trades. Actually, earlier I took a few trades already, but in this example, let me just add the text and the marker, right there. And you can see exactly the entries, the exits, and the Sonic system places the target and the stop with those red and green horizontal lines. Now we're looking for the next trade. Remember, I don't want to overtrade. If this is my 5th, 6th, or even 10th time entering into the market, consider pausing, taking a break. Tomorrow's a new day. There's the audible alert. I know there's a signal. This is perfect. It's a 50-50 relationship where I'm losing the same amount of money that I'm pretty much making. So I look for that risk to reward ratio, and now I'm entering short. The good thing about this is that there are 3 short trades in a row, meaning the market's on its way down, and I'm going with the flow. I'm going with the trend. I'm not really fighting it unless we have a roadmap signal or something else that is telling me not to take the trade. But in this video, I'm just focusing on the Sonic system. So I entered about midway between the target and the stop, and it's on its way down. This is looking really good. It's making the attempt. 59.20 is my short exit to make a profit. Now it tried twice. You can see that it's on its way down a 3rd time, and this is where I start to become a little concerned, because how many times has it tried to hit the target? There's some type of support at 59.20 that's stopping the market, and now I adjusting my exit strategy to break even or 1 tick below where I entered, and I'm stopped out. This example right here is a perfect example where everything was perfect. The risk reward ratio, we have the trend on our side, the market's going down, and what's happening is that it could not go through the target once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. It could not hit the target. So what I did was I adjusted the exit to break even in order to protect myself, but even doing so, I still got stopped out. And that's what you should be doing as a trader. Now, this next trade, you heard the audible alert. It's also a short signal. I didn't take this signal because I've taken a number of signals already. Earlier today, probably about 8 already trades. So I'm not taking this trade, and I already hit the target anyway. But I do want to say that if you were taking these 4 trades, 3 would have been a winner, 1 would have been a loss, and you're managing the trades based on how long it takes for the target to be made. This is all taught during our live training, whether it be the Sonic or if you want to join Accelerated Mentorship class and learn how we trade price action. Want to learn more? Visit daytradeto and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.